Hi, I'm Mona. In this video, I'll show you how not to draw an anime nose and the right way to do it. So when you use the guideline this way, the nose may look fine, but it doesn't really suit an anime face. I mean, this method is good if you're drawing a real face, but for anime face, we need much simple styles. Alright, let me draw some anime noses first. So this is how you can draw them from front, from side, and sometimes you need to just draw the dot. And this kind of nose you must be noticed in Demon Slayer characters. This one also. Alright, time to add the nose to the face. We'll draw two small C shapes for the nostril and then lightly sketch downward from the eyebrows toward them without fully connecting. In side view anime face, noses are too sharp. You need to draw one sharp angle for the bridge. Then add a small pointed hook for the nostril, though I forget to draw it. For 3/4 nose view, start with a soft angle and then add small curved hook for the nostril. For the high angle, draw the nose higher up on the face closer to the eyes. Show only tip of the nose, that's it. So this is front, this is side view, this is 3/4, and this one is from the above. Alright, that's how you draw anime noses from every angle. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.